Okay, so for this activity, again, we're in lesson 4, Shapes and Parameters, part of code.org's CS Discoveries, and we're doing a practice activity, and this one is debugging the missing shapes. So if we look at this, the code that we have currently right now, and we run this, nothing's really happening. So something's going on here where this just is not working. It looks like if you take the X and the Y location, we're probably way down here, so we're printing this shape way off to the right, and it's not showing up, and it looks like all of them are that way. So we've got to figure out the pattern here to create the correct shape. Looks like the fills are in the correct order because we want to have black and then white and then black and then white, black, white, and so on. So looks like these are in the correct order, but what we need to do is reset the shapes. Looks like the sizes are pretty close to what they need to be, because we have, this is going to be the biggest, obviously, and then the next, and the next, and so on. So we want to decrease them in size, but we just need to find the correct location. So we know that if we show the grid here, if we do 0, 0, we're going to have that shape all the way up at the top. And if we were to do that and just do something like this and run it, well, there's our shape. But we do need to have it, looks like this is the upper left-hand corner. We need to kind of set them down a little bit here. So let's do 10 and let's do 50. Alright, so that's look like that's a little bit set at a better placement, right? So we kind of moved it down, and we just moved it over here just a little bit. Alright, so now what we need to do is figure out the pattern for this. So let's go ahead and find the white one, and what we're going to do is we're just going to have it move over 10 more. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to, so if we run this right now, we get the white here, but what we really want to do is have the white move down a little bit. So let's go ahead and move that down 10 as well for the y-axis. So okay, so maybe not quite what we're looking for. So let's do, oh, I didn't do that correctly. Let's do 60 there, and let's see what that looks like. Okay, so we did move it down, and let's move this over. And maybe I kind of forgot to switch those. There we go. Okay, so that looks a little bit better. Now, so now let's go ahead and we'll kind of keep with this pattern. We're just going to add 10 each time for each corner. So we'll do 30, and we'll do 70. Let's see if that draws the shape correctly. Yep, there we go. So I think we're on to something here. So let's go ahead and do 40, and then 80, and let's do 50, and 90, and let's do 60, and 100, because I'm just going to add 10 from each. So we're just kind of moving it over and moving it down a little bit each time, because if we look at these, it's really not moving it over very much. And if we reset them and run it, let's say that looks pretty good. I'm not sure what's going on here with this. Maybe I have this one off a little bit. Oh, it moved it over, but it only down 10 because I didn't do, it should not be 10, this should be 100, because keep with the pattern here. There we go, that is much better. Alright, so that's how you solve this one for this practice activity. Hopefully this helps you, and good luck with your coding.